Oh, okay. But what am I streaming? Am I streaming my... Yep, I am. Streaming that, and then I can add announcements. Send now. Okay. Mute that. I want to go like my stream as well. Stream as well. Okay. Get my microphone. Okay. Ooh, you can add a stream marker? That's crazy. Hi, James. Hello, Michael. Thank you for welcoming me back. I didn't expect people to be here so quickly. I will once more people start showing up, I'm gonna show what I've been working on. And it's pretty cool, honestly. Also, look at OBS. Look what they did to OBS. It looks so weird. It looks so weird. Hi, Michael. How are you doing? So, what I did was itch. Let me go on itch.io and show you what this is. So I'm currently in 2 jams right now, and I'm gonna start the Godot Wild jam probably. I don't know. Maybe I'll stream. Maybe I'll stream both. But I'm gonna finish up my clicker jam right now, and it ends in 2 days. But I'm gonna finish it today. Um, and the theme is interdimensional, which is crazy. Wild jam is on. What is the theme? I'll let you know. Assembly required, which I actually really like. So I'm going to I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm definitely gonna do that probably later today. I might just stream the entire time, cause um I kind of miss doing it. Yeah, isn't it interesting? I feel like you can interpret this in different ways. Let's see what the community is talking about. Oh, it's just people. Voice actor. Interesting. Um, but yeah, no, I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna make like a robot that has to build himself or whatever. I don't know. Wait, 1,000 people joined? I have to win this, and probably gonna make a video on it too. Um, but I do have actually I'm gonna start recording as well, just so I can edit this into a video too. So yeah, very interesting theme. Um, so while I was gone, let's see how I gained a a good amount of subscribers. So when did I stop um Social Blade? And let me look up my Social Blade. Let's see how many subs I gained while I swear I gained like 300 while I was gone. Yeah. So I stopped in August and I gained about 200 subscribers since then. It would be crazy to use. Would it be crazy to use Godot for the jam? I'm guessing it needs to have a web export. Um, on it. So I'm actually using Godot 4. I use Godot 4 for everything now, which is kind of annoying because there's an issue with shaders right now, and animation with shaders and everything. Just like I use shaders now, by the way. I'm like cool like that. Probably would have been more if you kept streaming, but of course life gets, yeah. I probably would have I probably would have hit 1,000 by now. But I am a senior in high school, so I have to get stuff done. But the first semester's just about over. I have midterms next week, and then I can senior slide. So, yeah. But yeah, let's just get into work, I guess. So right now I have a game. It looks very ugly. It's just a clicker game, so it doesn't have to be that good. But right now I need to actually set the audio bus to be like lower because I don't want to blow my ears out. Nor do I want to blow out your guys' ears. So let's just set that to, let's just set the noise. Yeah, see, that's like really loud. I'm using pre-made music that I bought like 3 years ago from Humble Bundle. Yeah. Let's just set the bus. So max value, I'm gonna have -5. And then it's literally a clicker game, so I just buy things, and then you get sent to a new dimension. And that's sort of like what the interdimensional thing has been. I made it vertical because I want to put this on mobile as well. And then when you buy more things, it sends you to a new dimension. And then when you finally buy the final things, actually, I like this music. Isn't that cool? And then finally when you do this, you win and it gives you your final time. So I guess I can, yeah, just like real life. You just get sent to another dimension. I'm wondering, so right now I have, my ears are gonna blow. So I have 5 on the first, I have 3 on the second, and I have 3 on the third. I was wondering if like I should get like add more upgrades. I was wondering if I should add more upgrades because I don't know if that's enough, but this music is so ominous and I like it. 25, that should be 50,000. Main. Also, look at all this code. I forgot how. It's not that I forgot. It's just that I want it to work, so I don't want to make it cute. So I'm literally writing it one by one. I know I can just use a for loop and figure something out, but I literally can't figure it out. So, and my next game, I'm like literally thinking about the next one already. How was your process of learning shaders? I stuck a nail in my head and started learning it. Um, it was difficult. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not like that good at shaders. I'm still like this is one of the first things I'm working on for shaders. So is the clicker jam required to be a web game? No, it's not. It doesn't actually have a specified upload, but I'm pretty sure I'm just going to. Yeah, see, there's nothing like. Let me see submissions. Let's play one of the submissions. Which one should I play? I'm pretty sure they're all in the web, so, and they're all made with using different engines. Like I think one of them is yeah, this one is using Scratch. I didn't know you could export Scratch games now either, which is kind of cool. I learned Scratch like 10 years ago. Clicker Stellar. That does look this looks really beautiful. Oh, so this is a download. This person, I'll just download it. Who cares? Let's play it. Should I do a stream that I play the games too? Let's see what this was made in. What is this? Is this GDevelop or is this Game Maker? Oh, my ears. Tab FPS. Is there a sound? I'll just edit my sounds. Yeah, that's Game Maker. This looks cool. Whoever made this, I'm gonna rate this high. Like this, yeah, I don't know how they made this so quickly. This is Cookie Clicker. This looks awesome. So what I didn't do is I didn't make it so you can buy multiple of one thing because I actually forgot what a what a clicker game was. So I only have one progression. What is this? $100. Yeah, clicker games, like I wouldn't mind putting my game just like on like the App Store and give it to my friends or whatever. Cause like I'm pretty sure to put a game on the App Store it's like $100, and with that it's like my game it's a clicker, so it's not like it's not fun. And I added like a speedrunning element. We'll see if I can beat this really quickly. How much is this? 1,000? Cool arthritis game. Yeah, exactly. I love arthritis games. Yeah, 40 per second. Like I have all the stuff that a normal idle game really has. So, oh, I can buy another fist. Yeah, what have you guys been doing lately? Because I haven't even like been doing like game development as of late. Like I've been like doing nothing. I've been doing school and playing video games. Let's buy an ice cream cone. How much does this generate? Yeah, this, like, let me show you something. Cookie clicker. Look at this layout. It's Cookie Clicker. The buy on the right, the thing on the left, like that's Cookie Clicker. Work. Yeah, same. Except my schoolwork isn't work, it's just work. Or it's schoolwork. Alright, I think that's enough of Clicker Stellar. I started a for loop years ago called work, and that's what I've been up to. Can't wait. Can't wait in 12 years when I'm out of med school and stuff. And so bachelor's is 4, med school's another 4, and then residency is 6. So yeah, about 12 to 14 years until I do that as well, sort of. But I have a job too. I teach kids how to code. Dimensional clicker. I don't want to download games. I'm gonna upload mine as a HTML because it's really simple. But really, all I need, like, this game is completely done, sort of. I need a. Is it in Global Bus? I can't remember. I did this so long ago. Or I did this last night, but I was so tired. You can do that in Godot 4? Yeah. Project settings, or not that. Export, web, iOS, Windows desktop, Mac OS. I can do anything. Yeah. Web. Let's see if I can do it right now. Clicker jam. Export. Yeah, .html export. That's done. And then export icon. Export project. Did I already export it? Save. Okay. And then I can just check. Open file manager. Export.html. Cross origin isolation. Shared array buffer. I don't know what's wrong with that. If you had to bet, when do you think Godot 4 will come out? Summer. You might need to ignore the export folder in the export. Huh? Oh, that's true. So product settings, not that. Export path, and then I'll make a new folder called Godot exports. And then I'll do clicker jam. And I'll save that. And then I'll export the project. And yeah. Displays, standalone, browser. Doesn't matter. Export project. Yeah, see, now I didn't get an error. Then Godot exports. Why did I not put a space in that? Clicker jam. Let me just look up this. Yeah, so this is missing. So it's just like a normal thing. So Wowie, another fire production from GameDev with Truth. Thank you. Initially I followed this, so I'll just put it on itch, right? Okay, I have an idea. I have an idea, Mr. Krabs. If it works, if I export it from Windows desktop, it'll work as well. It'll work. Um, Clicker Jam Windows export save. If this works, then it'll work. Yeah. I 100% recommend using Godot 3 for the Wild Jam. I'm gonna use Godot 4 anyways. Because I want to see if it'll work. I haven't used the past Wild Jams actually. I'm pretty sure the reason I need to check itch.io. I can probably just upload it to itch.io right now. But one thing I do need to add is a background, and then I'm literally done. And I can start the Wild Jam, like literally today. Also, make sure to like the stream if you haven't already. I need to draw a background. Or just find one, but I'll draw one for this guy. It's because I just have to use a sprite. New file, 1080 or 720 by 1080, and then I'll just do a quick mock-up. Quick little mock-up. I wonder if I still have pixel art prowess, because by the way, I haven't been drawing at all. I have been working on a little bit of a game lately. I can show you guys that after. But I need to draw this. So what are we thinking? Bushes? Let's think bushes. Also, if anyone needs any tutorials for Godot 4, be sure to put them in either the Discord or here, because I'm coming back, so may as well put in some Godot game developed save. And then let's get a nice sun. This is awful. Beauty. This is a beauty. See how many likes the stream has got so far. 3, 2. Yikes. We want the algorithm to pick me up again, because it hasn't been lately, because I've been gone. And then let's wash the top with a nice sky blue, and then let's blend these guys. And we'll take this color and we'll make it a little brighter. And wow, I'm atrocious at this. I think something happened and I'm just bad at art now. Also, the art style isn't really it's not a pixel art, so I can't really use pixel art. Um, hmm. Something to think about. Something to think about. That's an issue. Okay, so what are we thinking? These are the backgrounds for each dimension. So these are also shaders. So this is dimension 1 and this is dimension 2. I mean, I guess I can just have a green a green background, but we don't really want that either. Um but I don't know. I can actually I'll do you want me to I'll run through what I have so far. So I'm using all control nodes for this basically, except for a timer, which is basically increasing time final. Um I've actually never used a tab container, but now it's actually pretty cool. Um So the tab containers, it holds both the upgrades and the buys. Um, I'll make it current tab 2 so I can show you what is in here. So we have each buy upgrade has their own resource that I added, and what the resource does is it transfers to a global script bus, and it transfers that into upgrades, which takes in the text as well when adding it. So it's very finicky. It's very like gross. It's just a very like gross system that I threw together in about like 3 or 4 hours. Because I wanted to just make a game, regardless of how bad or good it is. Like this, I'd say this game is a good 3 out of 10, maybe 4. So yeah, but I'll tell you the shaders I did for clicking, beautiful. Like this shader is nice. This was basically like my shaders tutorial day. Like I learned shaders yesterday. And this is, I'll just go into what it is, what the shader is. So this shader, it basically, he moves around in a circle. So I just take his vertex and I take his the cosine of time and the sine of time for his X and Y. Because sine is vertical. You guys know math. And then when you click him, you go into the code, and I just tween the property of the click modifier with the new tweens that Godot 4 has, because I love the new tweens. I think 3.6 actually has tweens. I forgot that 3.6 came out, so maybe I might use 3.6 for the Godot Wild Jam, but I'm too used to Godot 4 now. Yeah. So now I'm just going to figure out what I need. Like, what are we thinking for a background for this? Because I need to have something. 3.5 does have tweens backported. Perfect. I like the new tween system. Let's have the scroll container. It's always showing, I guess. Yeah, so what are we thinking? Should it just like be like a grass plate? Because this is like Earth, and it's coming to Earth, and it's attacking. honestly, I'll go back into a sprite. Let's see how this goes again. For the Godot Wild Gem though, I'm definitely drawing all the stuff on my own. I just really wanted to code. I felt like I just like wanted to code. For this, and that's what I did basically for half of it. So I need to get the center. I need to get the pixel. I need to get the grid. And then, no, I don't need the grid. View, grid settings, cancel. How do I turn the grid off? Turn extras off. Yeah, there we go. It could just be green with like a portal to the purple world. I mean, you can't get much better than that. You really can't get much better than that. Let's just do a green background. And I'll export it to Clicker Jam, Assets, Art, and I'll just set it to BG1. Overworld BG. Export. Graphic design with Drew when? Facts. I need to make game dev with Drew, graphic design with Drew, singing with Drew, music with Drew. All into one. All into one. And then we're going to have transform 0, 0, and then I'm just going to add 720 divided by 2. And then 1080 divided by 2. Perfecto. And then I'm gonna may as well code a shader for it, like a rippling shader. So that's what I'll do. Material, shader material. I can show you guys coding with shaders. And I put them inside of themes, I'm guessing. Yeah, shaders. Overworld. And then what I'll do is I'll go into main. Hello, IT Angel. How are you? And then $overworld bg dot visible equals false. And then I'll make this true on ready. So when we go into our code, when we go into our game, oh, it's a lowercase. One sec, I just gotta capital BG. Bam. Oh, my ears. I don't want to. Where's my code for the sound? Here. And I set it to value, so where's... Do you guys hear that, by the way? Let me see. Yeah, you do. Okay. Yeah, let's just code the the shader and make it look pretty. By the way, shaders look awful on Vertex. Shaders look sometimes like they mess up and they just look awful. So let's just do a fragment right now. So, and we want like a rippling effect, I'm guessing. Yeah, let's do like a ripple shader. So what we can do is we can get a wave. I don't know. I don't know. Let's see what the online has to show. Let me look this up. Am I using GDScript or C Sharp? I'm using C Sharp. Sorry, GDScript. I use GDScript. Shaders is its own shader language. It's not GLSL. It's like its own simple. It's like its own simple thing. That they use. Yeah. How are you doing, IT Angel? I haven't seen you around before. I don't believe. Texture. Then UV. And then let's see UV divided by 2. UV. And then let's wonder what this does. Let's see what this does. Let's copy paste this. What do you do? Ooh. Yeah, I want to copy that. I'm copying that. I'm stealing that from the internet. From GodotShaders.com. Attach it to a color rict? I don't want to. I want to attach it to... I guess there was no reason to do this. I'll do a color rect. Color rect. And then drag you up. And then call you overworld BG. I am doing okay. I am normally UE, but I've been playing around with Godot for the past few days. Seems like a neat engine and learning what you can do with it for a 2D side scroller. Well, Godot's 2D is perfect. It's way better than Unreal Engine's 2D, I'll tell you that. It's way better than Unreal Engine's 2D. Because I used to use UE4, but I don't anymore, obviously, because I like making 2D games instead. Material, new shader material, shader, quick load, overworld. Oh, yeah, I used to use UE4. I'm a C++ developer at heart. At heart, I'm a C++ developer. But not anymore. Really, because I use GDScript mostly, and I mean, this is the only like once Godot 4's like bindings come out for C++, I might use it. But I don't know, probably not. GDScript is so simple, and it gets the job done. That's what matters. That's all that matters, really. But let's oh yeah, let's submit this stuff. been beating your head with C++. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna be honest with you. Unreal Engine 4 or 5, I don't know which one you've been using. It's not really C++. It's like its own thing. It's like its own thing. Like what why isn't it texture is texture or texture? There we go. Why aren't you UVing? Whatever. Um I don't know. I guess that ripple effect doesn't work. Ripple. Let's search up some more. Um, what's the demo? Ooh, that looks cool. Building C++. Facts, bro. Facts, Michael. I agree. Um, it's horrendous. It's actually horrendous sometimes. I love the that was my first language that I ever learned. Um, 360 and 540. It was the first language I ever learned, and it's gonna be dear to my heart. But that's all it is. It's dear to my heart. UE5, been using scripting mainly as far as Godot. I love the tiles. The tile system is amazing, especially in Godot 4. Um, the tile system is just absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so UV divided by vec2, 2. I don't know. Um, I don't really know what to do for this shader. I don't really know. Um, Hello. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Suji man. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm sorry. What can I call you? I might just leave this. I might just leave it like green. I might just leave it green because I am having an issue with my brain and um uh just thinking. So I think I'm just gonna submit it as is, honestly. Um, so let me just do this, and I'm gonna change it to Godot Wild Jam. And I'm just going to export this and call me. Is it Sugi or Suji? Or Suji? Or, yeah, I don't know. Um, float equals 0. Hell yeah. Yeah, Godot Wild Jam. There's no reason not starting new today. I actually wanted to show you guys an idea that I had for it, so may as well. Make sure to like the stream if you haven't already, by the way, because I love looking at likes. Yeah. So let's export this guy. Export, and then I'll export it as web, and it should be runnable. Oh wait, let's make an icon. I have to change this guy's icon. Run, boot splash. Okay, Mr. Streamer. Thank you. Icon, not we don't want to use icon.svg. Let's go into our assets, look at art, clicky cars, and let's use you. And then when we close the game, and then open up Godot. There we go. There you are. And then what's this do? Oh, it works. And then so it works on web. So this it just runs on web. That's sick. I didn't know that it did that. So it just runs on web. So let me stop recording there and then go into my files and then stuff like that. Jam. And then I'll let you guys, I'll make a video when submissions come out and all that stuff when I get rated like a 2.5 out of 10. Um, yeah, so submit my project. And then I have to make a new project. So I'll show you guys the, if you guys haven't already, I'll show you guys how to upload a new project. So title, oh my god, I didn't think of a name. What do I call this? Feels bad, man. Facts. What do I call this game? What kind of game do you make? So what the game I was working on is for a game jam called a clicker game jam. It's an interdimensional clicker game. And I have no freaking clue what to call it. Wait, visual shaders are still in this? No, they aren't. How do you make a visual shader? Nah, there ain't no way. What do you call that monster you click on? I have no clue. I call it a head. I didn't know visual shaders existed. No, I thought visual shaders were gone. I thought they got rid of them, didn't they? What is the theme for the game jam? It was interdimensional. But for the wild jam, it is I can't even remember. Wild jam is assembly required. Project URL. And we'll released downloadable HTML. So we'll do HTML. There must be an index.html in the zip. So export web. And we'll call it index.html. And export. Don't export with debug. I use Godot 4. Because I like Godot 4. I did Godot 4 once and I can't go back really. I teach kids how to use Godot 3 though. Because that's my job. I teach kids how to code. So we'll compress you into a .zip, right? So we'll do zip. Is it stable enough? Yeah. Wait, beta 12, is that out? I'm using beta GodotEngine.org. Is beta 12 out? And 3.6 is out too, isn't it? Oh my god, beta 12 beta 12 is out. That's so annoying. I'm using beta 10 right now. Been using Godot for beta 12 for multiplayer testing. Yeah, nothing serious there. Like nothing serious for beta 12. I bet it just changed like issues though. So I'll download that after I export this garbage. Um oh wait, I already did. So I have the zip. So now I need to think of a name. A lot of fixes and optimization. We like that. Please provide a title for your game. Viewport dimensions 720, 1080. Portrait. Full screen button, no. I'm pretty sure I need trying to think of a name for me. You're very nice of you. That's very nice of you, IT and I think I'm literally just gonna call it like I don't even know. I don't even know. Also, I can think of a name in like 10 seconds. You know how I can think of a name? ChatGPT.com. Clickhead. Um, Released. I'll do prototype. Then upload files, click your jam. This file will be played in the browser. That little guy looks like a spirit head. Yeah, clickhead. Clickhead works, and I'll upload the cover image. Quality guidelines. I think it's okay. And when I ran it, I had an error, right? Index. I needed shared array buffer and cross origin isolation. So let's see. I need that and cross genre clicker. Idle. It's an idle. Run game. Then we so I think let's do half size actually. Viewport dimensions. So let's do 360 by 580. And then let's try that out. So let's view the page. Wait, not 580. What's 360 by 540? Yeah, and it should work on the phone, on my phone. So I'm gonna try using it, playing it on my phone right now. So I'll go to itch.io. And I'll go to my games. Too small. Is there another like size though? Is like I don't know if it'll work on the phone. If it's maybe the buttons are too small. Excuse me. Um I'll multiply it by 1.5. So what's 360 times 1.5? 540. And 540 times 1.5. 810. Does that stay within the resolution? It should. It does. And this is good. And then I can buy things and it works. And let's change the theme to be black. And let's change the second one to be black. It's better. It is better. Cool. I made this in what, like two? I think I made this in 2 days. So let's put in a description. Oh, 2 days. I bet you guys would have never thought you'd watch someone upload something to to whatever mobile friend. I think it's mobile friendly. Well, well, well. Looks like I cut a stream finally, even though I'm an hour late. Are you an hour late? Is that when I started the stream? Let's see. Yeah. Well, you caught a stream finally. It's not like you missed anything for the past 6 months, maybe. So let's publish this. This is neat. Thank you. Jean, there's no like idle other idle clicker. Comments, that works. Draft, restricted, public. So it's public. If you want to go into and check out my game, there you go. Go rate it, please. I think you can rate it. I think. So let's see if I can go to my dashboard and analytics. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can go rate it. And I'll go submit it to the jam. I feel like it's a little unfair if you rate it because you know, you guys watch me, but I'll submit it anyways. Boxed in, click head. So I'm gonna enter in my email. then so credit everyone myself. Okay, so my game is now there. And it's done. So I actually don't know how long it'll take to make. I get an error message on my iPad. Oh, okay. I guess it's not ready yet then. That stinks. So I need to update that. Click head. How am I gonna conjure up game ideas now? True! True! I've never heard anything truer in my life. Dashboard, edit. I'm sorry that it won't work for mobile, so it's not mobile friendly. I don't know. I don't know why it's not working for mobile. But hey, Rigoso, how are you? I wonder who else from the Discord is gonna come here. Yeah. Okay. So that gives me a custom peace of mind. And now for oh, I have 841 subs. I thought I had like 600. You're working on isn't your sprite sheet like 600 things, 600 frames? Like that's insane. And I'll download. Oh, I need to download Godot 4 now. So Godot Wild Jam, close that, and then I'm gonna start the Godot Wild Jam. Oh man, my sprite sheets are insane. Yeah. I actually need to get better at. I haven't touched a sprite in forever, so I need to get good at it again. Or mildly decent. Because I can't for the life of me. I can't for the life of me draw anything anymore. So yeah, I'm just. You're doing RimWorld like walls. That is like. Do you play RimWorld? I love RimWorld. I'm guessing you've played Dwarf Fortress too. I'm so happy it finally came out on Steam. That game is that's my favorite game of all time. So let's beta 12. I didn't know beta 12 was out yet, but apparently it is now. You play both of those. Love it. All right, so now that I have Godot 4, 12. Oh, I guess I can show you guys what I've been working on a little bit. So I made an untitled space game and an isometric. I made like an isometric map generator. I was just messing around with procedural generation. So once that loads up, I can just show you if it doesn't lag. I don't touch 2D anymore. For me, 2D art is so difficult. True. I suck. I suck at art. So I just made like a procedural generation thing. I can make it whatever size I want, and it just generates whatever. It just uses noise and whatever, so it's very easy. I also have been working on a little space game, but I haven't touched it in, I don't know, months. I think 2 months. Month and a half. These are actually hand drawn. I drew these on my iPad. Which I think like this he doesn't look so bad. That's what it was in my Discord. And it's sort of like a whatever, and I made, so the problem right now that I have right now is not this. Let's take the dog out, but I find 2D around 16 by 16 super easy. That's what I'll do. Inv1 inventory slot. So I need to do not keep size, fit, and tile. Yeah, that sounds manageable. Yeah, 16 by 16 isn't so bad. Yeah, so apparently just moving to Godot 4 just completely crashes this game. So I'm just gonna not worry about it. It was just like a game demo. So let's get started into Godot Wild Jam. So new project, and let's do mobile. Let's do compatibility. And then we'll do Godot project, select current folder, and then we'll call you Godot Wild Jam heat and assembly. Yeah, that's so what I'm gonna do is I want to incorporate the 4-color palette, which will help me, and I want to do like a temperature that damages you with assembly required. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So so Michael, you're ahead of the game. And what Godot Wild Jam is this? 53? Number 53. Create folder, create and edit. What I was thinking is I was gonna make like I guess I'll make a root, not a 3D scene. I don't want that. 2D scene. Save this as main scene. And then I'll make a scripts folder. And then what I was thinking is UI right. I was thinking like maybe like display server dot set underscore win. You want to make a web 3D game? God, I can't do 3D. Display server. You can actually like take stuff from the oh, is it window.set position? Pretty sure. Display server dot window dot underscore set underscore position. And then I was thinking like position dot x or whatever. I don't know. I was thinking like I could move like the window. Window dot set title. Wowzers. I wonder if that changes it. It's like current. So if I press it, oh yeah, it does change it. That's so cool. I didn't know that. Window underscore set underscore position, and then it takes in a position vector. So we'll do vector 2, and then we'll do display server dot window underscore get underscore position plus vector 2 1 0. So that's a vector 2i. Okay, so let's just see. Let's just see if that works. Yeah, see, I can move. You can move it now with your. So I was thinking like making a game that I can move the window instead of the moving the window with the character like against each other or whatever. I don't know. I don't know. I'll think about that, you know? That's something to think about. But yeah. That's something to think about. 3D game for you want to make a so you want to make a 3D game. That's crazy. I I don't like Godot for 3D, honestly. I use Godot 4, but I don't like 3D. It's just cuz I want to like I want to I like GDScript 2. I don't like I like I just prefer GDScript 2 over GDScript 1. So that's what I'm using instead. So what I can do is I can just copy paste this all. I wish I could do like Windows set position like .x, but whatever. I don't know. I'll think about that later, but I think I'm just gonna end stream for right now and just think. So, thanks for being here today, guys. I really appreciate it. I'll see you all I don't know if I'm gonna stream tomorrow, but maybe Monday. But I'll let you guys all know in my Discord. So, thanks for being here, guys. I'm glad you could catch the end too, Ragoso, or Reg. Bye, everyone.